welcome to Vlogmas day number 8. This is doing Life with Miranda, and today I have a short story unboxing for you today. It is for us petite gals, and the styling fee is either $20 or it might be $25. But if you watch this video and decide that you want to try it for yourself, then I'll leave a link for you down below. I hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I know I'm doing the videos and several other YouTubers are as well. So go and check out everybody's Vlogmas videos that they're working real hard on. All right. So today's is quite heavy, but I think I know why, or I'm hoping I know why. So I'll let you in on something in just a minute. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I do want to say that I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button on your way out the door, or right now, whenever. And also tap the notification bell. There is also like a thing where it'll say all. Make sure you click all so that you see and get notified of all my future videos. I do all kinds of clothing and beauty unboxings, and then I do lifestyle videos as well, like travel and vlogging and decorating. So if any of that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around and hit that subscribe button for me. All right, so it says, "Hello Miranda, short story. Try on everything. You have 5 days to decide what to keep. Need an extension, just email us." And I did do that because I've been sick. All right, I had to pause you guys. I had a bit of a little coughing fit, and I didn't want you guys to have to endure that. So if I'm a little eye watery now, that's why. And I do have a drink of Coke up here this time to help out. All right, so let's see. You do get a envelope or a little sticker here, and you just slap that back on the box, and it doesn't cost you anything to return it, anything that you don't want. The only thing that I don't like about Short Story is they do not give you a discount at this time for buying all the items or some of the items. You just get your styling fee back. All right. And then this is a feedback form. You just fill it out if you want to and put it back in the box. They are very nice when you email them or chat with them. I got a tape measure, a little pink one, so that's nice that they include that. And it's to help you get accurate measurements and for height, weight, bust, waist, and inside seam, so they can help you get the right fit. All right, so here's the box. Honestly, as I am unboxing this, I do not know if I'm going to do a try-on this time. I normally do try-ons with my boxes, but since I'm not feeling well, I don't know that I'm going to do one this time. So, but if I do the try-on, you'll see it. If I don't, you won't. All right, the first top is by 14th and Union. It is a maroon color. It's a nice weight, you know, just like a nice t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt material, and I really like it. I love the color. I actually was looking for a top this color, and it's just very nice. It's pretty. All right, next I have something by Everly in an extra large, and it's striped. It has buttons down the front and a tie. It is long sleeve. And there it is up close. All right. This one's pretty. This is by DR2, Petite Extra Large top. And this lovely, like, evergreen color. That is really pretty. It's got the roll sleeves, which sometimes I like, sometimes I don't. I always feel like, you know, if I'm doing dishes, I'll roll them up and button them, but just for every day, I usually don't. But it's nice, and it's, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, because I'm sitting in the chair today. It is high-low. Then the next item, they sent me a pair of jeans by Ralph Lauren, 14 Petite. Just a basic pair. It looks like maybe a boot cut or a straight. Yep, modern straight petite curvy. Sent them to me in a size 14 petite. Length is a 27. So the length is nice. Then next up is this shirt top by Polyester, and it's an extra large. I love this, love this. Those are really pretty colors for winter. The fabric is extremely soft, 100% polyester. Love that. And then the last item in the box. So if you watched my last short story box, I got this jacket in it, and it is a moto, and it's suede, and it's by Blank NYC. I did not get the jacket because I saw it on NordstromRack.com for cheaper, and I thought, okay, that's wonderful. I'm gonna order it from Nordstrom Rack. Well, then I decided, since I was going to Seattle, that I would just pick it up, and then I could have it while I was in Seattle. They did not have one in the store. So I went back online. They did not have this online either. So I emailed Short Story and said, I really want this jacket. And so here we go. She sent me the moto jacket. She said she still had it and sent it to me. Now, where's all my paperwork? I'm trying to find the invoice. The jacket actually is already paid for. I already bought it. I think I paid like $96 for it. Alright, I'm going to try to do a try on for you guys. We'll see how it goes. I will tell you that I wore this all day when we went to the Christmas tree farm, and I love it. I love this, and of course I'm keeping it. And it comes down, hides the booty in the back. And I'm going to tell you, this is really soft too. The fabrics are super nice. It's just, it's nice and, you know, a little bit loose. I love the split neck here. I think it's really pretty. It goes down just a little bit but doesn't show off anything, which is nice. You could pair it with a skirt or dress pants, anything like that. think I have one more item to put on for you. Actually, two. Next is the top by Everly. It has the tie front here and the buttons. Let's see. It is the Petite tie hem V-neck striped top in ivory, extra large petite, $28.92. I think I just have enough of these tie front tops that I really don't want another one. It is thin, so you know, if you are looking for that kind of thing, a tie front that's not heavy, has buttons, all of those kinds of things. I'll bend you down just a little bit so you can see. I mean, it's a nice little top. It's just not anything I'm looking for right now. Here's the jacket, just so you guys can see it paired with something lighter under it. And don't forget, I'm gonna link the video up here, but I did buy a like a pink and cream colored scarf that I loved with this jacket. So that is just a little bit of something lighter under it, just so you guys can see. And this is by Blank NYC, and I think I paid $96 for it. So, all right, I'm going to get on with the recap. All right, I'm just gonna stand here and finish up the recap. I put this shirt back on because that was the shirt I had on. I will link everything below if you want to try the short story box for yourself. You will get a little bit of credit. I will get a little bit of credit. You might not even pay a styling fee. I'm really not sure, to be honest, how it works, but you do get something for trying it, I think. And then my subtotal for all the pieces is $209.73. As you can probably see, let's see, these jeans I did not put on for you for a try on because they didn't fit. They were too small. I could button them, but they were pretty tight. So, and I just am not, these are a modern straight petite curvy. I don't know. If I want a straight jean, then these just aren't it because they didn't fit. They were just too tight. So I'll throw that back in the box, but they are $78.17, so I'm not sad about them not fitting. And the only thing about Short Story Box, they do not give a discount if you buy all the items or multiple items. So it does not hurt my feelings to send those back because, you know, it's just adding to my price. But I do get my $25 back, so $184.73 is my total if I were to keep everything, which I'm not. The things that I am thinking about keeping, of course I'm keeping this top because, well, I'm wearing it and I've already worn it once. Then I surprisingly liked the Daniel Rain blouse. I'm not a blouse girl. Like, I don't really have anywhere, you know, that I have to dress up. I don't have to dress up for work. Like, this is what I can wear to work. So, but surprisingly enough, I really like it. So let me know if you thought this was a nice top. And then this one is the 14th and Union, just the basic tee that's really soft, really comfy. And then the last one is the Everly tie front. I just don't need a tie front top right now. I have a couple of them and I don't even wear those a lot, so I'm gonna send this one back as well. So the things that I'm thinking about keeping are this, of course, the tee for $28.32 and the blouse for $39.65, and then I'll get my $25 credit back. So I'll put across here what my total is for those 3 items. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. I hope that you are enjoying Vlogmas. If you have not hit that subscribe button, I hope you will. I have a little goal I'm trying to get to of 700 subscribers by the 1st of 2020. And I think that would be a wonderful way to bring in a new year, is with a new goal. So also don't forget to hit the notification bell, if you will, please, and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to try short story for yourself, of course, I'll leave the link below for you, along with my Instagram link, which is Doing Life with Miranda. Go and check out some of my stories. I do a lot of day in the life stuff in there. Show my kitty, show my kids, my grandkids, all of that. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you for Vlogmas day number 10.